Activist E here, and we back with another banger, man. It's snowing crazy out here, y'all. Look.
Damn!
Oh my god. You can't even see down the block, y'all. This is crazy. This is crazy, y'all. This is how it's looking in New York. For those who's watching and it's not in New York. We back, man. It was kind of cold, so I had to put my phone in my pocket. Nah, it's beautiful though. The snow is beautiful. Drop a comment. Tell me if y'all like the snow. Or do y'all like the summer better than the winter? Cause I mean, the winter is like more fresh air. And it's crisp because it's cold. But I kind of like the summer better though. Ah, yeah, it's cold, man. But the snow is beautiful out here. Can't even see the sky. It's so gray out here. Might stream tonight, y'all. So tune in. Might be streaming. I think I'm gonna end the vid here, man. I'ma see y'all in the next vid. We out of here, man.
This money coming in, I will not stop. I had to stack this shit right from the floor.
Ben Franklin, my favorite president.